Hi all. Today let us discuss some quick tips about Instagram marketing. Be it a business or a startup or an enterprise or even an individual. These quick tips for the Instagram marketing will really help you to reach a huge number of audience as well as to create a brand on Instagram. So let us go through those quick tips and learn what kind of tips and how these tips are useful for you. So these are quick tips if you're a business or you're turning to be a business or you're planning to start a business and you want to have an Instagram business, you want to start an Instagram business, then start it with a business account on Instagram for better results. Before moving ahead, clearly define your business goals as well as your target audience, like to whom you want to reach, who are your followers to be, what kind of followers you're looking for, like what kind of engagement rate you are planning, and what kind of people that they should follow your business. Because end of the day, you're planning the social media account to reach good number of target audience. So it is important to define your business goals as well as plan who are your target audience. Optimize your profile in Instagram. That means your profile, bio, the link, and the details, everything should be optimized. Use some hashtags or keywords in the profile section. I'll surely show you in Instagram marketing video how to do that. Choose the profile photo. The profile photo should be right one. It should be good. The profile photo should look good. If you are starting a business, as it is related to business, the suggestion should go with the company's logo. If it's an individual, then go with some profile photo that is good in looks, and people should understand what this page is all about. And the profile photo should be in a size of 110 into 110 pixels. Create the content that should be good and attractive, and it should be visually very much attractive and eye-catchy content, so that the content or the creatives, those who will see it, the users or your target audience, when they see it, they should feel that yeah, this is something looking good, so that the engagement rate on Instagram will grow up. Create a different brand look on Instagram. Do not follow the same kind of stuff what your competitors are doing or other influencers are doing. Start your own thinking, plan for a different brand look on the Instagram. Write great captions. Captions are like you can write up to 2000 characters, as well as you can include 30 hashtags in that, but make sure that you're not using all the hashtags. Use the hashtag wisely and do not cross 30 hashtags. Write the caption well so that people should understand why you have posted the creative and what is the relevant caption for that. So these are some of the quick tips that you can follow on Instagram to create a good brand on Instagram. So thank you for watching the video. For more videos and quick tips on marketing and sales and digital marketing, follow our channel Pi-MSquare Academy. Even we are present on the different types of social media networks. Follow us on there. Thanks a lot.